Hey guys, welcome back to another video with... That was the baby farting. Welcome back to another video with H&H. My name's Nicole and HJ is eating his milk right now. I did get the job, so that means next week he will have to take the bottle, and I only had a week to do it. I was like, I need to get him to take it like now. First, I tried different bottles. Tried this one first. It's called Lantino. I tried this one first because this is what he took when he was younger, and I figured if he took it when he was younger, why wouldn't he take it now? One of my steps to making the baby get the bottle and actually kind of like it is what I'm doing is giving it to him and letting him, you know, get used to the bottle. Go ahead, show them. Don't throw it. Grab it like you did last time. He'll grab it and he'll try to pull it towards his face. Well, the other times he actually put it in his mouth. But of course when I'm recording he doesn't. So I'm trying to give it to him, but he thinks he's supposed to bite on it. But I'm trying to teach him, you know, there's milk in there and he can drink it. So now what I'm doing is trying to actually lay him down and so he could understand, because he eats laying down with me, but I don't want him to be in the position that I breastfeed him in because I don't want him to think he's about to breastfeed. No, he did not want it. He was just biting on it and not getting any milk out of it. And yes, it was pumped milk. I wasn't even trying to switch to formula or anything. Alright guys, so I've been telling you that we have been trying a whole bunch of bottles, and I think I left off telling you guys that we were going to go to Walmart later and buy a new bottle, and we did. We bought this Tummy Tippy. Here it is. It says acceptance guaranteed. That's not why I got it, but a cousin of mine had the same problem and she bought these and it worked for her. So it says the most breast-like nipple ever, natural latch, flexes like mom, easy to clean. So. And it comes with a slow flow nipple, but I went ahead and bought the fast one. So this is how the bottle looks. But we did try it. Well, I tried it and he will not take it from me, but that's okay because he did take a little bit from his grandpa in this bottle. So guaranteed acceptance, it worked. But we are working day by day to hopefully get him to like it a little more. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of footage of him trying it later again, because I've just been pumping every day to at least get him to you know, do it once a day, twice a day to start getting used to it. Even if he only drinks like half an ounce, 2 ounces, whatever it is that he is drinking, you know, it's something. HJ, can I have a high five? Good job! He won't do it when he sees the camera. Can I get a high five? Good job! Good job, buddy! Alright guys, so I know how terrible I look, but I'm going to try something. I just watched a video on this, and it was about a mom who, well, and I also looked it up online, but it was about a mom who took the baby outside, put them in the carrier, and you're supposed to pat them on the butt while you walk, and then give them the bottle, and this supposedly really works, so I'm going to give it a try. So I will let you guys know how this goes after it is done. Hi! He is getting way too heavy for this, but I am going to try it while he does still fit in it, so let's see. So we are back inside. I tried to feed him with the same bottle that he drank a little bit from last time, and it was unsuccessful. It did not work. So on to the next thing. You want your baba? Look who drinks the bottle like a pro. And I'm right in front of him. So, I guess what I'm telling you guys, or tips, is don't give up on a bottle. Like, even if he seems to like it a little bit, give it a chance. So I guess what I'm saying is don't give up. Make sure to keep trying the bottle that he even likes just a little bit. Keep giving it to him every day so he can understand, you know, I have to do something with this bottle, and, you know, to get him to learn to do it. And try different bottles. I know they're expensive, but it's worth it trying to figure out which one your baby is going to like. Whether it was once a day, twice a day, I would make sure he got, you know, time to try it at least once a day. So, he was doing great with this, but the fast nipple was too fast, so I switched it to the slow one. And then I was like, this one's too slow, I think. So he just didn't like it. He's just biting it. I was like, so you know, you just make the nipple a little bigger. I think I used a little knife or something. But then I made it too big. And I was like, oh, great, I ruined the nipple. I have to go buy more. But until then, I was like, I have to keep trying. So I decided to try this one again, because the first time I tried it, I don't do this, but I just put the nipple in his mouth without any milk, thinking like, you know, let me see if he actually just puts his mouth around it. And he didn't, so I gave up on it. And then I went back and I was like, you know, I never really gave this one a chance. Ugh, I'm running out of breath. This one, the Dr. Brown's, it's the long bottle, the nipple looks like this, is our winner. So that is how we got our baby to drink out of the bottle. Thank you for watching another video with H&H. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos.